Greetings and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you possible way where you can utilize to convert your broken TV into a working ceiling light. We hope you enjoy the video. Okay, first remove all electronic circuits in the TV itself, such as the motherboard, the wiring harness and the LED lights, following to the faulty LED screen and also the protective LED casing. For the current project, we are using a 2-in-1 LED lights which has the capability to be in a daylight mode and also in a warm light mode. So it was purchased online, where the description will be given in the link to this video below. So roughly place the lights on where it should be installed on the LED TV itself. The current LED light uses a 240 volts power supply, so roughly connect the wiring and place the LED lights on the TV panel and switch it on to do a test before fitting it on the panel. Next, using a silicone glue, place the glue at the back of the LED lights and stick it permanently onto the TV panel as seen in the video. Next, carefully drill 3 holes on the LED TV casing, where these holes will be used to fasten the TV casing to the ceiling later on. Using some leftover PU board, the board was used to close up all the ventilation holes on the TV, as it will no longer be used, and it will also serve a purpose to prevent any insect, dust, water and etc. from entering into the TV panel during its operation as a lighting mode. Once all the ventilation holes are sealed with the PU board, the TV now is ready to be mounted to the ceiling. So once the TV is mounted to the ceiling, a test run of the lights is performed to see if all the electrical connections are working properly and correctly. The last step will be installing the diffusive panel board to the TV casing, where it will provide a purely diffusive light when the ceiling light is on. We hope you have gained some information on how to utilize your broken TV in an effective manner. In this video, we have given an example to convert a broken TV to a ceiling light. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to the channel and thank you for your patience.